Hey, Jason from xFanatical. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to export all active users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. Although Google Admin Console has the option to export the active users list, but Foresight gives more power to Google Admin by allowing them to upload the list to Google Drive and send email at the same time, hence creating a workflow. Sign into your xFanatical Foresight account and click the New Rule Plus button to start the rule creation. Select the Manual trigger, then select the List Users action. After that, add email, first name, last name, and is suspended in the columns field. Then, select True in the User Suspended field. Leave the rest of the fields as default. Click Add Next action. Select Upload Data to Drive action. This is our updated action for this use case. Then, select the user's CSV download link in the CSV file URL field. Also, select the Google Drive folder path in the Google Drive folder field. Your CSV file will be exported here. Click Add Next action. Select the Email action. After that, you should give an email ID in the To field and create a subject line for the email. Create an email body. Click Add Variable V to add the user's CSV download link. Click Review. Give a rule name, Suspend Users List, and click Create. Click the Play button to trigger the rule. From the Logs page, you will see that the rule has been executed successfully. Download the CSV from the Here link. We have created a list of 30 suspended users. Also, check the CSV file uploaded to Google Drive. And also sent to manager's email. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.